Hello everyone, good afternoon. I'm Ding,
And I'm Do.
and today we're gonna present
Quadrilaterals.
quadrilaterals. Quadrilateral is a four-sided polygon, which means it has four straight sides and four angles. Quadrilaterals can come in a variety of shapes and sizes, and are classified based on the properties of their sides and angles.
Some common types of quadrilaterals include rectangle, square, parallelogram, rhombus, trapezoid, kite.
The first type of quadrilateral is rectangle. A rectangle is a quadrilateral with four right angles, or 90-degree angles, and opposite sides that are parallel and equal in length. Properties of rectangle. 1. A rectangle has four sides and four vertices and four angles. 2. Opposite sides are parallel. 3. Opposite sides are congruent. 4. Adjacent sides are perpendicular. Theorems on rectangle. Theorem 1. If a rectangle has one right angle, then it has four right angles and the rectangle is a rectangle. Theorem 2. The diagonals of rectangles are congruent. Have you solved a problem involving the quadrilateral rectangle?
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is John Peter Kogan, and today I'm gonna solve a problem. Quadrilateral RSPU is a rectangle. If the measure of angle RTU is equals to 8x plus 4, and the measure of angle SUR is equals to 3x minus 2, solve for x. To solve for x, the first thing to do is to add the similar numbers. 8x and 3x add together and it will be 11x. Negative 2 plus 4 is equal to 2. So it will be 11x plus 2 equals 90. Transpose the 2 to 90 and minus the 90 with 2. So it will be 88. 11 and divide both numbers with the number with a variable. So 11 divided by 11 and cancel it, and the variable will be left out, and the variable will be left out, and 88 divided by 11 is 8. So the x is equals 8.
The next type of quadrilateral is a square. A square is a type of rectangle that has four equal sides and four right angles. Properties of square are: all four sides are congruent, all four are right angles, diagonals bisect each other, diagonals are perpendicular, diagonals bisect vertices, diagonals are congruent, and lastly, consecutive angles are supplementary.
And this is how you solve quadrilateral square.
Hello everyone, my name is Rajiv P. Powell, and find the length of the diagonal AK. LO is a congruent to OC, so 4x plus 12 is equal to 7x plus 3. First thing to do is to transpose the similar number to transpose the 4x to the side where 7x is, so it will be 7x minus 4x, and transpose 3 to the side where 12 is, so it will be 12 minus 3. The number that only need to be transpose are lower number. Next is to subtract the first number. 7x minus 4x equal 3x, and 12 minus 3 equal 9.
Mike.
Divide.
Baba mo yung bagay maputi.
Adin na. Divide both number by the number who with a variable, so divide by 3 and 3x divide by 3 and cancel 3. Variable will be flipped, so the value of x is 3 back to given. LO for x plus 12 and 4x plus 12 have x variable. Change the x and 10 put the value of x3, so it will be 4 open parenthesis 3 plus 12 10 4 times 3 is equal to 12, and add to the 12 So the value of LC is 24 since LO is congruent to OC, and OC is equal to 24 add LO and OC to get the value of the diagonal LC. If then the value of LC is 48 cents of side that diagonal is congruent and and equal LC is equal or congruent to AK. 80, the value of AK is also 48, and AK AK and 48.
The next one is parallelogram. A parallelogram is a quadrilateral with opposite sides that are parallel and equal in length. The properties of a parallelogram. 1. The opposite sides are parallel. 2. The opposite sides are congruent. 3. The opposite angles are congruent. 4. The consecutive angles are supplementary. 5. The diagonals bisect each other. And lastly, each diagonal bisects the parallelogram into two congruent triangles. And this is how you solve a problem involving the quadrilateral parallelogram.
Good afternoon, everyone. Today we will find the missing missing angle. The only given angle is D equal to 95 degree. Angle D is congruent to angle B. So angle B is equal to 95 degree. To get the A, we will use the formula angle X plus angle Y is equal to 180. So it will be angle A plus the angle besides angle A. It can be angle D or angle B. Choose one only. Angle A plus angle D equals to 180. Next is angle A plus 95 degree. The degree angle of D is equal to 180. Next, transpose 95 degree. Next, transpose 95 degree to the side. Where 180 is after that 180 and 95 degree and and equal to 85. So that 3 degree angle of angle A is 85. And the angle A is congruent to angle C. Since they are opposite angles, angle C is equal to 85 degrees.
And the next quadrilateral is rhombus. A rhombus is a type of parallelogram with 4 equal sides. And these are its properties. All 4 sides are congruent. Opposite angles are congruent. Diagonals bisect each other. Diagonals are perpendicular. Diagonals bisect vertices. Diagonals are not congruent. And lastly, consecutive angles are supplementary. And this will solve a problem in the quadrilateral rhombus.
My name is Jericho Pasilan and I will present this output. To get the value of BA, first thing to do is to find the value of X. Side BA is congruent to side AD. Next is bring given values of the sides. 5 times equals 11 equals 6 times minus 18. After that, transpose the similar numbers and subtract those. To it will be X times equal 5 times equal X, and 8 X 18 minus 11 equals 7. So the value of X is 7. Back to the given of side BA equals 5 times minus 11. Change the X and change the x and the value of x that been found out earlier. S 7 minus 11. Multiply 5 and 7 and subtract the answer to the 11 and B will get 19, so that value of side BA is 19.
The properties of an isosceles trapezoid. Number 1. Legs are congruent. Number 2. These angles are congruent. Number 3. Diagonals are congruent. And lastly, number 4. All properties of a trapezoid. What all properties of trapezoid? Okay. Sige. The median of a trapezoid is a segment which joins the spindle points of the non-parallel sides, which is the legs. It is parallel to the bases and has a length equal to 1/2 of the sum of the lengths of the bases.
Trapezoid, and this is how you solve a problem involving the quadrilateral trapezoid.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Prince Santos, and I'm going to find the median of a trapezoid. So, ang given ay HA plus ET over 2. At ang 16 plus 34 over 2. So, ipagpa-plus nyo lang ang 16 plus 34, ang makuha nyo is 50. Tapos, i-divide nyo siya sa 2. So, 2 divided by 50 is 25. So, the median of a trapezoid is 25.
The next one is kite. A kite is a quadrilateral with two pairs of adjacent sides that are equal in length. Properties of kite. Diagonals are congruent. Exactly one pair of opposite angles are congruent. Diagonals bisect each other of the non-congruent angles and the other diagonal. And this how solve a problem in the quadrilateral kite.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Nash Jairan P. Kapotolan, and now we have talking to you the quadrilateral below is a kite. And now determine the area of kite REAL. So first thing to do is to find the given of kite, which is side EL is equals to 7 and side RA is equals to 10. Now we simply multiply the two given that include in the kite. So side EL is equals to 7 and side RA is equals to 10. 10 times 7 equals to 70, and we divide into 2. That 70 divided 2 is equals to 35. That's all. Thank you.
And that's our video presentation about quadrilaterals.
We hope you learn about quadrilaterals and how to solve them and the properties of them.
Thank you for listening. Goodbye.
Yeah, no.